Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back to y'all with yet another video. This is a DIY video and I got this inspiration from Dazzling Designs by Denise here on the YT. I thought it was really cute, so I decided to recreate it, and I got these plaques from the Dollar Tree for $1 each. They all have different sayings on them that I thought was really cute. And I got this diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree as well. And these coasters came from the Dollar Tree. And the majority of this stuff came from the Dollar Tree, you guys. I got some E6000 glue, the clear and the white kind. I got some matte acrylic paint in white. And I got these mirrors. I believe these are the 4-inch mirrors from Hobby Lobby. And I got some glass gems from the Dollar Tree. And I got these marbles from the Dollar Tree as well. And you will need some scissors. Okay, now I'm about to paint the coaster with the white acrylic paint. And I just got a little sponge paintbrush to paint that. And I'm just doing the parameters of the coaster. And I will not show how to just paint the whole thing. It's really self-explanatory. Just paint in a square and go from there. And let it dry at the end as well. And yes, y'all, I am making a total mess. This is my workstation right here. It's just the old table. Well, actually, it was a table that my mother had, and I got it after she passed away. And I really don't use it, but it's really good for me to do my crafts and things of that nature, just so I wouldn't have to throw it away. But now I'm just taking the mirror and I'm putting some white E6000 on it, and I'm just going to place it down on the coaster. And I'm just going to position it to where I would like it to be. And now I'm going to take some bling wrap and wrap it around the perimeter of the coaster just to cover up a little bit of the white. I painted it white just so that when I put the bling wrap or the diamond wrap down, you can still see a little white. But I'm just going to put it around the whole square of the coaster. And only 2 rows of the diamond wrap fit onto the coaster, so I'm just cutting strips down. And I took the clear E6000 and put it down on the coaster and put the bling wrap on top of that, or the diamond wrap. And if you have any excess bling wrap or diamond wrap, just cut it off. And here is how it looks after I did all corners of the square. And like I said, I will not be showing everything. A lot of this stuff is self-explanatory. So now I'm just taking those plaques and I'm taking the back off of it. It comes off really easy. You just have to tug it really hard to get it off. And I took all 4 of them off. And now I'm going to take some of the white E6000 and put it down onto the glass. And FYI, you may want to go ahead and put some of the E6000 on the actual plaque too as well, to give it an extra hold. And so I'm just letting y'all know that. Just go ahead and put some onto the plaque and onto the glass mirror as well. And so now I am about to put some E6000 on the other side of the plaque so I can stick the other plaque onto that plaque as well. So we're just going to go all in a full square, and it's really easy. You will have to let the E6000 dry just a little bit in between so it could stay put and stick. So just press hard against each other and onto the mirror at the bottom so that it could actually stick. And you know, E6000 holds really well, so it's a good adhesive. I love that. And I used the white kind because I just knew that I was going to cover up the seams of the plaques with some bling. And as you can see, I finished putting all 4 of the plaques together, and now I'm just taking some more of the bling wrap and measuring it so I can put it on the seams of each of the corners right there. And I just took some of the clear E6000 and put it down the seam so I could put the bling onto it. I only used one row of the bling to put on the seam right there, as you can see right there. And I just measured how much I needed on there, and then I just put it on there. Very easy and very simple, you guys. And yes, y'all, my workstation is messy, but we're not looking at all that other stuff. And yeah, I was gonna use that candle, but I decided not to use the candle. But yeah, my workstation is messy, but we're just gonna look at the finished product, okay? That's all that matters, right? Right. So this is how it looks with all of the bling in the seams. And so now I'm just taking the mirror and trying to place it on top just to see how it would fit. And so that's what I'm doing right there. Okay, next I am taking the bling wrap and wrapping it around the inside of the plaques, because as y'all remember, when I took out the backing of the plaques, it left an indentation in there, so I wanted to put the bling wrap inside of there to cover those indentions up because it was looking kind of funky looking. So that's why I put the bling wrap inside of the plaques, just to cover those indentions, you guys. Okay, so now I'm going to cut open the glass gems, and I'm just positioning it onto the glass mirror to see where I want it to be. And now I'm just cutting open the marbles, and I will put the marble on top of the glass gem. But now I'm taking the clear E6000 and putting it onto the glass gem and putting it on top of the mirror, pressing it down so it can stay put. And whenever you put the marble on top of the glass gem, make sure that you hold it because it will slip off. So make sure you do that. And since I'm so extra, you guys, I am putting some more diamond wrap or bling wrap along the top of the plaques. I just wanted it to be blinged out, and it actually looked really pretty when I put the bling wrap up top right there, because once I put the glass mirror on top of it, it looked so cute and so pretty, y'all. So that's what I'm doing. You don't have to do that, but I decided to do that and made it just fabulous. Okay, and this is how it looks with all four corners done with the bling wrap. And so now I am putting the glass mirror on top of that. And look how cute it looks, you guys. I am so in love with this DIY project. It turned out really pretty. And shout out to Dazzling Designs by Denise, because I got this idea from her. It was not totally my idea. And so I finished the other one as well. And look how cute it is, you guys. Yay! I'm really loving this. I really loved her idea, so I decided to redo it. And so I am so happy that I did. These will be gifts for Mother's Day. And I hope whomever I give it to, which I already know who it is, love this gift that I give them. And I'm thinking about putting maybe some peppermints or some kind of candy inside of them as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, comment down below and let me know your thoughts. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like these. Alrighty,